everyone, in today's video I'm going to be making the German pizza Flammkuchen. For this recipe you'll need 600 grams of flour,
2 cups of creme fraiche, 8 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 250 milliliters of sparkling water, 100 milliliters of milk,
2 large onions cut into half rings, and 300 grams of bacon diced.
First, you'll need to add 600 grams of flour into a large bowl. Then add your 8 tablespoons of oil. Next, add the water. Finally, add 2 pinches of salt. Now that you have added all the ingredients, it's time to mix them all together. If the dough ever gets too sticky, add more flour. If the dough ever gets too dry, add more oil and water. Once the dough looks good, turn off the mixer and take it out. Next, preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Once you have taken the dough out of the mixer, cover it with cling film and place it in the refrigerator. Now it is time for the topping. Scoop the creme fraiche into the bowl. Then add the milk to the mixture and mix it up. After it has been mixed sufficiently, take the dough out of the refrigerator and cut it into 3 pieces. These will be our 3 separate Flammkuchen. Use a rolling pin to roll the dough into a circular shape, approximately 3 to 5 millimeters in thickness. The dough should eventually look like this. Once both the dough and the creme fraiche base have been prepared, spread the base evenly across the dough. This is what it should look like after you successfully spread the creme fraiche. Once you have finished the previous step, start adding 1/3 of the bacon over the Flammkuchen. After you have finished with the bacon, add 1/3 of the onion to the Flammkuchen. It should eventually look like this. Now it is time to place the Flammkuchen in the oven. The pizza should remain in the oven for 15 minutes, or until the crust starts to turn brown. Make sure to be very careful, as the oven will be very hot. The Flammkuchen is now finished. Carefully take it out of the oven and place it on a plate above. Once the Flammkuchen is cooled, cut it down the middle and then into thirds. It should look like this.
Now I'm going to try it. Sehr lecker!